Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this catnap outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to color my base black just for the mouth. You do need custom makeup and VIP for this before y'all come at me in the comments. We're going to need these eyes, and then for the outfit you can really do anything that you want. I'm just going to do this with the turtleneck, and I'm just going to color it purple. Sorry, I'm just gonna make the purple like this maybe. Let's save that color. Then for the shoes as well, you can do anything with it. I'm also adding these gloves to it. And this fur set, I'll just use these as the shoes, but you can use any shoe that you want to wear. Okay, now we are going to use this one where we're going to toggle it to the third setting, and then we're also going to use these ears as well, maybe making that a little bit darker. And then we're going to go to VIP, and we're going to get this mask. Select it to the no feathers toggle and color it the same as the rest. Then we are going to go here and we're going to go to the masculine one, select this hairstyle, and then color it purple. Then we're going to need the tail, of course. And that is pretty much it. You can add more stuff, like more gloves if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!